Conditionals. Nageswar Rao A. English teacher, Sri Prakash. Zero conditional. The zero conditional is used to talk about things which are always true, scientific facts, general truths, and so on. Zero conditionals are always real and possible. In both if clause and main clause, we use simple present tense. Let us study some examples. Number 1. If you heat water to 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. The same sentence can be written as water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees centigrade. If you expose phosphorus to air, it burns. Or phosphorus burns if you expose to air. If my daughter sees me, she runs towards me. Or my daughter runs towards me if she sees me. We can use an interrogative in main clause. For example, if mummy is tired, do not disturb her. Or do not disturb mummy if she is tired. Now let us study first conditional. The tense of the if clause shall be in simple present tense, and the structure of the main clause shall be will oblique can oblique may oblique shall plus infinitive form of the verb. This conditional is called probable conditional. Now let us study some examples. If you read well, you will pass. Or you will pass if you read well. Second example. If the bell rings, students will leave the class. Or students will leave the class if the bell rings. Third example. If the teacher enters, students will sit silent. Or students will sit silent if the teacher enters. Now let us study second conditional. The tense of the if clause shall be in simple past, and in main clause we have past conditional, that is would oblique should oblique could oblique might plus infinitive form of the verb. This conditional is called unreal or imaginary conditional. Let us study some examples. If I were rich, I would travel around the world. Or I would travel around the world if I were rich. Second example. If I studied well, I would pass the examination. Or I would pass the examination if I studied well. Third example. If you had a vehicle, you would reach office in time. Or you would reach office in time if you had a vehicle. Now let us study third conditional. the tense of the if clause shall be in past perfect, and in main clause we have perfect conditional, that is would oblique should oblique could oblique might plus have plus past participle of the verb. This conditional is called unfulfilled conditional. Now let us study some examples. Number 1. If I had read well, I would have passed the examination, or I would have passed the examination if I had read well. Second example. If I had had enough money, I would have purchased a vehicle, or I would have purchased a vehicle if I had had enough money. Third example. If I had been to Mumbai, I would have got a job, or I would have got a job if I had been to Mumbai. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on functional and usage grammar, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Visit us at Ayala Somayajula Nageswar Rao.